So we've got the tension graph. I can see here that the first event in the graph is a tension level 4 out of 10. Then the next part of it, the next chapter or the next couple of paragraphs is 6 out of 10. In the middle of the story is 10 out of 10. Drops down a bit part way through to 8, and then the final ending of the story comes in at 10 out of 10. So I'm just going to put some notes on here. So the first part of the story is setting. I'm going to have it at Buckingham Palace, and Queen's crown is stolen. The excitement ramps up a little bit in the next part because we don't know who it is. So we're going to call for our detective. Okay, and our detective is going to be looking for clues. And at this point, I've got a note for myself as an author. I'm going to describe some new settings. And then the next bit, so 10 out of 10, we're going to have a false accusation. So our false accusation, we're going to think that the clues point to the butler, and the butler gets questioned, but then in the next part of the story we find out the butler has an alibi, he's innocent, and right at the very end of the story we actually find out the crown jewels were stolen by Prince Charles, and he confesses. So a few more author's notes. The butler's got his alibi. We need to have some kind of interview here. So I'm looking at some dialogue with my dialogue writing. With the clues that point to the butler, I might talk about my suspect database. We need to have right at the very end a motive for the theft. We need to know why Prince Charles wanted to steal his mum's crown. And that's going to be the plot for my story.